Hey, this is Dave, Yankee Sports Cards. I'm going to do an opening of 2020 Topps Holiday today. Ran into a little bit of a retail gold mine here lately. Picked up some stuff. It's been months without finding anything, so yeah. Pretty excited to actually have some stuff to open. And for me, it's always more baseball, so I like these holiday every year. I didn't know this was in here. So we have a hanger Christmas ornament of Luis Robert. I guess I haven't watched enough of these openings to realize that. And there's 10 packs. They guarantee a relic autograph or autograph relic in every box. And it doesn't say on average like Panini stuff does, so I think we may actually get one. And well, it's hard to tell which one. One of those two might be a relic. All right. One. Looking for the holiday short prints. All the good rookies are in here. Trouble opening. All right. There's Luis Robert in the first pack. Nice. Chris Paddock. Jordan. Edwin Rios. Pretty good start. I don't think there was a short print there. What's I missed? Pack two. Shun Yamaguchi, rookie. Seager, Chapman. Nothing much happening there. I believe every other pack is supposed to have a snowflake parallel, but either 0 for 2 or somehow I missed it. Should have like a raised snowflake though, I think. Brian Reynolds, Bellinger. See, this card's backwards. It's a Betts, and he's wearing a scarf. I think this is just an SP, not a super short print, but since my eyes are really bad, ends in 7-1. Not sure what the codes are, but Betts there ends in 7-1. Kluber, rumors about Kluber possibly going to Yankees, so I wouldn't mind that. I think he's still got some juice. Gavin Lux on the back of this pack. Robles, Ohtani, Chris Bryant, Arenado. Some good names in this pack. Lindor, Numet, and Gavin Lux, rookie. This is pack 5 of 10. Nope. Oh, there's the relic. Just didn't feel it. Luke Voigt, Bregman, and this is a 3 of 3 of Ronald Acuna. What the? You gotta be kidding me. All right. Acuna Jr., relic auto. Look at that. All right, let's get rid of this shit. Put it over here, and I'm gonna have to find a case for that. Wow. Okay, that's my first ever Acuna Jr. Auto too, and it comes in a 3 of 3. Holy smokes! All right, don't think we're gonna beat that one. Vlad Jr., Dustin May, PC guy there. I like Dustin May. He's a Texas boy. Not much else. I'm thinking I'm gonna have to go back and look for snowflakes. Santa Claus waving in the background. This one ends in 7-1 as well. So I believe these are just the basic short prints. All right, we got 3 left. These are obviously not relics. Shogo rookie. Bit. Last 2. Juan Soto on the back. These cards are on fire right now. Gurriel. Flaherty. And there's a Soto. We'll put him in there. All right, last pack. This pack just felt thicker, but it's not. Unless it has like an extra card or something. All right. Bueller. And that's about it. All right. Wrap up. Soto, Shogo. This is a short print with Santa Claus, Dustin May rookie, Gavin Lux rookie. Short print with the scarf for Betts. And in the very first pack, I got both these guys. And Luis Robert Christmas ornament. And the big gun here. Ronald Acuna Jr. Auto patch. Number 3 of 3. Wow. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.